So I'll be showing you how to activate Hey Gemini on your phone so that you don't have to open the Gemini app to start using Gemini or to long press on the side button. You can just say Hey Gemini the same way you used to say Hey Google. So to do that, launch the Gemini app. And of course, before you do that, just make sure you're using the latest updated version of Gemini. So once you launch Gemini, tap on the profile icon in the top right corner, and then from the menu, tap on Settings. Under Settings, scroll down to Google Assistant features in Gemini, tap on that, and then you first of all want to enable use Google Assistant features. So make sure that is enabled first, and then you should see the Hey Google and voice match. So let's tap on that, and then you want to go ahead and enable Hey Google. So tap on that, and then you should see the normal notifications about Hey Google. Tap on I agree, activate voice match for Hey Google, read more, agree, and it says Hey Google is ready, so tap on next. Okay, so now let me just exit out of here. Before you do, you might be prompted to help improve audio technologies by saving audio. So that's personal preference. For me, I'll choose not now. So now with this enabled, you can now just say, Hey Google. And it's going to bring up Gemini, and you can see now you can start talking to Gemini without launching the app. Let's try Gemini. Hey Gemini. Hey Gemini. Hey Google. All right, so that's basically how to enable Hey Gemini. You don't necessarily have to say Hey Gemini. You can just say Hey Google, and it's gonna bring up Gemini. Okay, so they might update for the word Hey or the prompt Hey Gemini later, but for now, just a Hey G will bring up Gemini, just as if you're saying Hey Gemini. Okay, so that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Google. Good night.